Ladybugs, also known as ladybirds or lady beetles, are tiny creatures that have captured the admiration of people around the world. These brightly colored insects are not only charming to look at, but they also play a significant role in nature. From their unique defense mechanisms to their important ecological roles, ladybugs are full of surprises. Let's dive into 15 interesting facts that will change the way you see these tiny beetles. 1. Ladybugs aren't really bugs. Although we often call them bugs, ladybugs are technically beetles. They belong to the order Coleoptera, which is characterized by hardened forewings. True bugs belong to a different order called Hemiptera, so the name ladybug is a bit misleading. 2. They come in many colors. While red with black spots is the most common image, ladybugs come in many colors. You can find yellow, orange, pink, white, and even black ladybugs, with or without spots. The coloration usually serves as a warning to predators that they might taste bad or be toxic. 3. They use reflex bleeding to defend themselves. When threatened, ladybugs release a small amount of yellow fluid from their leg joints. This is called reflex bleeding, and the fluid has a foul taste and smell. It warns predators like birds to stay away, helping the ladybug survive an attack. 4. Ladybugs are farmers' best friends. Ladybugs are natural pest controllers, especially in gardens and farms. They primarily feed on aphids, which are small insects that damage crops by sucking plant sap. A single ladybug can eat up to 50 aphids a day, making them highly beneficial to agriculture. 5. Not all ladybugs are friendly. While many ladybugs help control pests, some species can be harmful. For example, the Mexican bean beetle is a type of ladybug that feeds on crops like beans, causing damage. So, not all ladybugs are considered helpful in farming contexts. 6. Ladybugs can play dead. When in danger, ladybugs sometimes play dead to fool predators. They tuck in their legs and remain still to appear lifeless. This clever survival tactic helps them avoid being eaten when running or flying away isn't an option. 7. Their spots can fade over time. Contrary to popular belief, you can't tell a ladybug's age by counting its spots. In fact, the number of spots is species-specific and doesn't change with age. However, the brightness and clarity of the spots may fade as the ladybug gets older or due to sun exposure. 8. They go through a complete metamorphosis. Ladybugs undergo 4 life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The larval stage looks nothing like the adult beetle. It resembles a tiny alligator and is often mistaken for a pest. This full metamorphosis ensures that different life stages don't compete for the same food. 9. Ladybugs can live without food for weeks. In times of food scarcity, ladybugs can survive for extended periods without eating. They slow down their metabolism and conserve energy. This ability helps them live through tough environmental conditions, especially in winter. 10. They hibernate in winter. In colder climates, ladybugs enter a state of dormancy called diapause. They often gather in large groups in warm, sheltered places like under rocks, in buildings, or inside tree bark. This group hibernation helps conserve warmth and increases survival chances. 11. Ladybugs are found all over the world. There are over 5,000 species of ladybugs worldwide. They live on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in a variety of environments including forests, grasslands, and cities. Their adaptability makes them one of the most widespread insect families. 12. Some ladybugs are invasive. The Asian lady beetle, introduced to North America for pest control, has become invasive in many regions. It outcompetes native ladybug species and can become a household nuisance by swarming indoors. Unlike native ladybugs, they can bite and may trigger allergic reactions in some people. 13. They can fly long distances. Despite their small size, ladybugs are strong flyers. They can fly at speeds up to 37 miles per hour and cover several miles in search of food or mates. Their wings are hidden under hard wing cases, which they lift when it's time to take off. 14. Ladybugs have been sent to space. Ladybugs were once sent into space aboard a NASA shuttle to study gravity's effects on movement. Scientists observed how ladybugs and their prey, aphids, would interact in a zero-gravity environment. This experiment helped researchers understand insect behavior in space-like conditions. 15. They symbolize good luck in many cultures. In many parts of the world, ladybugs are seen as symbols of good luck and protection. Some people believe that if a ladybug lands on you, you'll have good fortune or your wishes will come true. Their helpful nature in gardens likely contributed to these positive associations. Ladybugs are far more than just pretty little beetles. With their colorful bodies, fascinating behaviors, and important roles in ecosystems, they are truly remarkable creatures. Whether they're helping farmers control pests, surviving harsh winters, or even venturing into space, ladybugs continue to surprise and inspire us with their resilience and charm.